Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here, and this time we're demonstrating a radio out of a 1965 Porsche 356. This is a block punk radio, and as you can see, the dial nomenclature is pretty weird. Basically, this is okay. This radio was set to pick up long wave, medium wave, something called K, and U, which is sort of the FM band, except that it goes from 87 to only 104, and it's reverse. So I have basically just made it a forward tuning radio, since the dial is not going to be accurate anyway. Most guys who use there's a lot of guys who send an AM radio for conversion, and there's no FM dial when I add FM, so they just have to refer to the AM numbers or whichever numbers they want to find out which stations they're on. So anyway, I've got it set to AM at the moment. Another thing I'll mention is this radio is set up for a 6-volt negative ground car, and that's what the customer has listed here. It's a 6-volt negative ground, so I've got it hooked up to 6-volt negative ground, tuned to the one strong AM station I get. Oh, another thing I'll mark out too is each of these buttons forces that mode. If you press the long wave button, you can only preset one station for the long wave. You can only set one station for medium wave, which is AM. And you could only set these two last ones for the FM band, and they would only go up to 104. So basically the result of my conversion is that you can use all the buttons for any band you want. You can use all 5 of them for FM. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM and the one strong station I get.
But if they wanted a leg, they tore off the leg.
Okay, and let's
Believe how I know? It's very simple.
Front rear fader.
You only have law.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now we're at all the way front, all the way rear. Say
right?
something.
There's
Okay,
no law
all the way front,
something that
all
people
the way
didn't
rear.
do.
Okay, and I center the speaker
Would be
field.
absurd.
Fader set.
Okay, left right
So,
balance.
This is
Balance adjust.
Okay, all the way left,
the treatment of animals
all the way right.
continues.
left. Say
How
something.
many of you
And
have ever
right.
thought about
Okay, center those.
treatment of animals?
Balance
Balance
set.
it. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing
The
mode.
most important document.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, now we'll go to FM, which on this radio we do by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. And I have all 5 presets set to FM stations in my area, so we can get through this test quickly. So let's turn it off and then right back on. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM.
We're not alone. At sea, providing community.
Or Alexa skills and online.
To take a full week of
Okay, so there's our FM. And of course, you turn the radio off and it goes off. So that concludes the test. Everything's working properly. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And to reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the work order is for. A work order has all my options and prices, including options for turn times. So please have a work order in your hand. Or if you don't know how to get to my work order, of course, call me in that situation too, and I can walk you through it. But at any rate, I don't answer the same 15-minute barrage of questions over and over and over from each new customer. I just direct them to the work order. That's more or less my catalog of services, and that enables me to stay on the bench putting out top quality workmanship. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Sven. This comes from Sven in Tucson, Arizona, just about an hour away from, no, about 4 hours away from me. So he's right here in my home state. So thank you, Sven, for your business from my own state, and we'll see you guys next time.